Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Today we're talking about Asante Kotoko. They have written to the GFA asking them to change the venue. We all know that Asante Kotoko normally play at the Baba Stadium, but because of the renovation going on there, they requested that the home venue be shifted to the Accra Sports Stadium, which the GFA approved. And now they're requesting that the home venue should be shifted to the Tamale Stadium, which means that if this gets approved, the CAF Champions League game with Nodibu FC will play at the Tamale Stadium. That's if the GFA approves before the game this weekend. So it is not surprising that Asante Kotoko are changing the venue, because Inter Allies, House of Oak, Accra Great Olympics are all playing at the Accra Sports Stadium. So for the fact that Kotoko are changing the venue, is not a surprise to anyone, because that particular stadium is all choked up. The grass is deteriorating, and the venue, because you heard about the issue with start times. They are forcing them to play by 6 p.m. and they are forcing them to fuel the generator for the game, which is going to be a problem for the club. The issue about Tamale is that when Kotoko came to Accra, they tried to make themselves familiar with the stadium, the new players and all that, familiar with the stadium, familiar with the environment. Now a change of venue means that the players now will have to get familiar with the new stadium, which might be a problem, but it's all in Ghana. They might cope very fast compared to someone that's coming from another country like Nodibu FC. So of course people will be expecting Kotoko to beat Nodibu FC when they travel to Ghana, since they are coming from all the way from Mauritania to Ghana to play Asante Kotoko. So wherever Asante Kotoko play, as far as it's in Ghana, they're expecting Kotoko to beat Nodibu FC. Some people might find Tamale Stadium very far, considering the fact that it's far from the Accra Sports Stadium. Accra Sports Stadium to Tamale is a very, very long journey, and people were expecting them to choose the Cape Coast Stadium to join the Buswados at the Cape Coast Stadium to play their game there, but they have chosen the Tamale Stadium. And mind you, the Tamale Stadium has already been approved by CAF for African competition, which means that the CAF competition can be played there because it has already been approved. So that is why Kotoko have picked Tamale Stadium, and I think they are the only team that will be playing there if it gets approved. Yeah, it's bad news for some people because they have to travel all the way from Accra to cover the game at Tamale. But if things work out there for Kotoko, if things go well for us there, it's going to be nice for them, because they will be there on their own. They won't be sharing the venue with 2 or 3 other clubs. So it's all good, and that's what I wanted to share for you guys this morning. So if you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe, click notification bell. Till next time guys, goodbye.